Hey y'all, it's Ebony and welcome to EMMFASHION. Happy Saturday again, y'all. I hope y'all had a wonderful week. I am recording in this space for the last time. So I guess look forward to seeing me in a new space next week. Maybe the week after. We'll see if I need to take a break between the moving, but yeah. All right, y'all, it's that time of month again. It's Forever Mood time. It's Candle Club time. And since Forvr has kind of revamped its brand, so has the club. So now instead of the Candle Club, it's called the Self-Care Club. And this quarter, we still get our 2 exclusive scents, but there are a few changes in how everything is being branded and so on and so forth. Also, since it's Jackie's birthday month, we got 2 gifts this time around, so shout out to that. But before I get into this installment, you've been here and you know me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button to know when my videos drop. So let's get into the gifts first. And let's start with this super cute Forever Mood branded visor. It's really cute. I love the tan on tan situation. And as a part of the self-care club, we had the opportunity to help Jackie and Dennis pick out exactly how we want some of these things designed. Which is crazy because when this was first introduced for the self-care club, like having access to Jackie and Dennis and having the chat room, in my mind I was like, there's so many chat rooms that I have to be a part of. I don't want to have to be a part of another one, but I actually do enjoy it. I didn't think I would, but I do. And having that resource came into play for this next gift because the next gift was a really cute branded towel wrap, but it's not super big girl friendly. It has the elastic around the top part and of course the Velcro closure, and it's very luxe, it's very cute. But unfortunately I couldn't fit it. So Forever Mood reached out to me in the Forever Mood chat room and was like, hey, send us your order number, we'll have something for you. And so they're planning on making a custom size just for me, so shout out to that. But yeah, those are the gifts, the cute towel wrap and the visor. All right, so let's get into the scents. First, we're gonna get into Mood 1. And Mood 1 is actually titled Wood Girl Gone Bad. So of course, the witty cute names. All right, so with Mood 1, let's get into it. It smells like cologne to me. Like, I don't know. It has like a lot of the elements that a cologne would have. It has like the woody scents in there. So it has like Asian bamboo and clover flower and amber. And you smell all of that in this, which is great. This is definitely the scents for the guys, kind of. Not to say that there's not other people that really enjoy more cologne-y scents. But I feel like if you are a guy that enjoys fragrance, that may enjoy, your line of colognes and things like that, and you want it in a candle, this is your go-to for that. Also forgot to say, but I do really enjoy the new branding on the candle, the nice little designs. I love that we're still sticking to the gold finishes. And I love the Your Mood blank at the bottom, so we can write the mood that we're feeling when we smell these burning in the house. Next, we have Mood 2, which is titled Toasted. And to me, this definitely smells like a quintessential Forever Mood fall drop, right? It has kind of the same scents as, I don't know, like sweater weather and things like that, collections like that. It has like lavender and chamomile and coconut, and I just love this one. This is always going to be my jam when you're talking about scents because it's still sweet, but that's not all. There's depth, and I love that about this. All right, y'all, that's the box. Very short, sweet, and to the point. I noticed that the individual packaging of the candles is still that white box with the black lettering. So I was wondering in the last installment if that was just because they were rebranding, but it seems like it's here to stay. Overall, this was the best installment out of all of the installments we had as far as like logistically. We were charged maybe a week or so before they start to get shipped out. And so there's no more waiting a month or nearly a month to get your stuff after being charged. They are definitely working overtime at that new warehouse, and they're getting the boxes out, and I appreciate it. Also, the candles at Forever Moods price point has gone up a few dollars. So that makes the self-care club actually kind of a deal because our prices stayed the same. So essentially, if you want to get 2 exclusive scents with gifts for a discounted rate, essentially, go ahead and join the self-care club. I 100% stand by it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something today from it. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to people you think might be interested. Follow me on my social media so we can be friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.